How does riding on a track make you safer on the road? In 2 minutes, let me show you how. I'm Mark McVeigh. I've been riding safely on the road and racing on track for 35 years. After working as a MotoGP engineer, I founded the Riders Academy in Australia. Today I run the motoDNA Digital Academy, online and data driven, teaching riders all over the world. So how does riding on a racetrack make you safer on the road? Well, essentially you can explore your motorcycle's capability and relative safety without risking your license. Think of the track as your favorite twisty road, but no oncoming traffic, gravel or roadside furniture. You're free to practice your skills, plus make the inevitable small mistakes in a controlled environment. Though you can go as fast as you dare, it's not about the speed. Here's why. The first benefit is understanding grip. A big contributor to rider trauma on the road is a survival reaction, and this is primarily caused by the rider's lack of understanding of their limit and the limit of their machine. More precisely, the rider doesn't sufficiently understand the grip that is available from their tires. This often causes the rider to overreact and panic to a small problem, such as mid-corner gravel or a car cut in the corner. And this results in a bigger problem that could have been avoided if you understood the available grip. The second benefit is improving your cornering. Most problems on the road happen in corners. On the track, you can practice your cornering skills at real-world speed and more without the distractions found in public roads. Because you repeat the same corners over and over, your skills can develop faster and with more consistency. The next benefit is vision. Now let's be blunt here, most road riders' vision is poor. Check out this eye tracking comparison to see exactly why. The instructor with a skill level of 90 out of 100. You can see he's looking at the furthest point he wants to go, or the vanishing point. Then we have an inexperienced road rider who's a level 15 out of 100. They're barely looking 2 meters in front. Good vision is tied into many aspects of your riding, such as peripheral performance and situational awareness. So it really is key to defensive riding. It's also linked to your balance, reaction speed. Vision is super powerful stuff. The next benefit is trail braking. Having the skill to brake hard and deep in a corner if you need to can save your life on the road. An oncoming car on your side of the white line in the bend, or the corner tightens more than you anticipated. The stats are full of inexperienced riders who panic, stand the bike up and run off the road. Riders with intuitive skill to trust their tire have a better chance to remain in control and avoid the hazard. Another bonus is that tracks are a great way to blow off steam. When you have a good fang on the track, you're more likely to chill and ride more defensively on the road. What's the point in putting you and your license at risk on the road when you can go as fast as you like on the track? And tracks aren't quite as intimidating as you may think. Most tracks have a novice or induction group, so your ability matches the pace of that group. However, track day training is normally super rudimentary, so seek out some training from a good school and you'll have more fun and less risk. Remember, to become an expert takes 10,000 hours, so it's important to switch back into defensive mode when you go back riding on the road. Upload your GoPro footage to motodna.com to measure your skill compared to thousands of other riders.